Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my favorite face pack and face scrub using orange peel powder. So let's start the video. Now let me tell you how to make face scrub using orange peel powder. For this we need orange peel powder, rice flour and rose water. Mix all the ingredients really well. Now our orange peel face scrub is ready and it will look like this. Scrub your face and neck and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes and wash it off with cool water. Now let me tell you how to make face pack using orange peel powder. For this we need orange peel powder, gram flour or besan, wild turmeric or haldi, and then we need honey, and lastly we need rose water. Then mix all the ingredients really well to make smooth and lump-free paste. After mixing everything really well, your face pack is ready and it will look like this. Apply to your face and neck and leave it for 20 minutes and wash it off with normal water. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and it means a lot to me. Subscribe my channel for more such videos. Watch my previous videos. I will leave the link in the description box below. Take care and I see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.